In this tutorial, we'll build a clean and modern portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript. It's fully responsive, looks great on all devices, and includes a toggle menu for mobile view. Let's get started. First, create a new HTML file. Give it a title. Now, create a separate CSS file and JavaScript file, and link both in your HTML using link and script tags. Open it with Live Server, and you should see a blank page. Perfect, let's start building the structure. Inside the body, create a header, and then a nav inside it. Add a div for the logo. Next, add an unordered list with class and ID nav links. Inside it, create list items with anchor tags. About, projects, blog, and contact. Now, for the responsive menu, create a div with the class menu toggle. And add 3 span elements inside it. These will become the hamburger lines. Our basic navbar structure is done. Now create a section with the class hero. Inside it, add 2 div, one for text content, and one for the image. In the text div, add an H1 with the main heading something like Let's Build, followed by a BR and a span for styled text. Smart web products. Below that, add a short paragraph about what you do. Then add a div with the class CTA. Inside it, create an input field for email. And a button that says, Get in touch. Finally, in the image div, add an image with alt text, always include that for accessibility. That's our HTML structure. Now let's move on to styling. Start by defining CSS variables in root for background, text color, and an accent color. Then, use the universal selector to reset padding, margin, and box sizing. Style the body with the background color, text color, and a nice modern font. Style the header using padding and flexbox, display flex, justify content space between, navbar, width, max width, and flexbox, same as header. Make the logo larger and give it the accent color. For nav links, remove list styling. Display them in a row with some spacing using gap. Style the links to have no underline, a neutral color, and a color change on hover using transition. Hover working. Now our hero section. Style the hero section with flexbox again. Use flex wrap, some padding, and some spacing. For hero text, set a minimum width and make it flexible. Make the heading larger, give it spacing, and color the span using the accent color. Style the paragraph with readable font size and spacing. For the call to action CTA, make it a flexbox row with spacing. Input. Make it flexible, give M in width, padding, background, no border, and a bit of radius. For the button, background color accent, same border padding radius, cursor pointer, and a hover effect that slightly changes the shade. In the hero image container, make it flexible, provide align with display flex and justify center. Image, set its width. Add a max width, rounded corners, and a soft shadow. Looking great so far. Now, let's make the navbar responsive. Menu toggle. Make it a vertical flexbox with gaps and pointer cursor. Add width, height, and background color to the span to look like hamburger lines. By default, hide the menu toggle on larger screens. Inside a media query, max width 768 pixel, will handle the responsive layout. Stack the hero section vertically using flex direction column reverse. Center align text and CTA as well. Now navbar. Make menu toggle visible and bring it to front using Z index. Make nav links a vertical sidebar using position fixed. Top 0, left 0 for right now. Give background color, height, width, padding top and left. Transition as well. Now push it off screen with left negative 100%. Slide it in when the open class is added. Style links larger for mobile. We want the menu to toggle open and closed when we click the hamburger icon. In Script.js, grab both elements. Get element by ID, menu toggle. Get element by ID, nav links. Then add event listener. Click. Nav links. Class list just toggle. Let's check. Yup, it's working. Inspect. Now, clicking the menu icon adds or removes the open class which shows or hides the mobile menu. Test it out. Click menu opens. Click again, it closes. Try resizing the browser to see how well it adapts. That's it. We just built a clean, responsive portfolio homepage with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Feel free to customize the text, colors, and images to match your own brand. If you enjoyed this, like the video and subscribe for more web dev projects.